Hi everyone, I am Dr. Villupati S. Karthikeyan, Consultant, Andrology, Male Infertility and Men's Health at Srinarayana Hospital, Vellore. In this video, we are going to see about COVID-19 and its effects on fertility. So before we go into COVID-19, what is infertility? Infertility is inability to conceive even after 1 year of trying adequately. So there are multiple reasons for infertility. However, in the recent COVID pandemic time, there has been lot of doubt and confusion whether COVID-19 causes infertility, whether we can have a conception during COVID-19, what is the effect of COVID-19 on pregnancy, and so on. So in this video, we will try to answer some of these questions. So the most important questions which we are going to answer in this video are: can I get pregnant when there is a COVID-19 pandemic? Second thing is, why the infertile couple should have a knowledge about COVID-19 and the COVID-19 vaccination? Can COVID-19 infection or vaccine cause infertility? When to vaccinate after a COVID-19 infection? Can I take vaccine during pregnancy? That is a very important and a new, there is a doubt about this question. And what to know in general about COVID vaccines and pregnancy. All the guidelines which are coming out at present are related to the last 1 year experience of COVID-19 infection and the COVID-19 vaccine. The sources which we consider for giving a guideline about COVID-19 infection and vaccine is the Indian guideline from the ISAR, that is the Indian Society of Assisted Reproduction, and also the foreign guidelines, European, British and American guidelines. So coming to the first question, can I get pregnant? The most important thing is whether pregnancy is a contraindication, like that is the most important thing we are revolving around. Yes, you can try for pregnancy when you have got a COVID vaccine. So get the vaccine before you get pregnant. That is the more ideal answer. Second thing is, attempting pregnancy after vaccination is more safer than attempting a pregnancy before vaccination. If you want to postpone the pregnancy, you can do it by 3 months. It is best to take the vaccine and try for pregnancy after 3 months. And there are no clear guidelines about the second dose. So you take the first dose, wait for 3 months, take the second dose and immediately you can try for pregnancy. If you have got an infection, COVID-19 infection in the past, then it is best to consult the physician or the infectious disease expert, get his opinion, then you can plan for your pregnancy. If you are planning for assisted reproduction, you can plan your assisted reproduction, that is either taking medicines and doing scans or intrauterine insemination or IVF, whatever it is. You have to delay the planning of assisted reproduction by 3 months from the date of infection or 2 months from the date of recovery. Second is, we have to know why infertile couples need COVID vaccine. So as we can see, there are two things. One is the infertile couples, especially the female side, they have problems like diabetes mellitus, problems like polycystic ovarian syndrome. These patients are more prone to the COVID infection. So it is better to take the vaccine. Second thing is, whenever you have infertility, it is bound that you have to visit the hospital multiple times, and all that exposure increases your risk for infection. Therefore, it is best to take the COVID vaccine. Similarly, there is lot of misinformation about the COVID vaccine and its effect on pregnancy. Please understand that the COVID vaccine is safe and it can be given even during pregnancy. Therefore, it is best to take the vaccine and then go for the pregnancy. Can COVID vaccine cause infertility? That is the next thing. So there have been instances where without knowing that they are pregnant, the women have taken vaccine and then even they have become pregnant. So that simply means that the COVID vaccine doesn't adversely affect the fertility. So it is best to take the vaccine. So when you are planning for a treatment, say assisted reproduction, say egg retrieval or whatever procedure is happening, it is best to avoid the vaccine 3 days before and after the procedure. So at that time, if the vaccine is administered, it is not possible to identify which has caused the side effects, say fever, vomiting or lightheadedness, etc. can be due to the vaccine or due to the treatment or the drugs which are used during the treatment. So try to avoid during the 3 days. Otherwise, it is safe to take the vaccine. Next is, what about the second dose? So as we told earlier, it is wise to wait after the first dose, but there is no clear-cut guidelines about the second dose. Similarly, men can take the vaccine and immediately they can give the semen sample within a few days. Next is, can I get vaccinated during pregnancy? Yes, Getting vaccinated during pregnancy is very important because both the mother and the fetus are at risk and they are more vulnerable. It has been shown that the COVID infection severity and death rates are more during pregnancy, and COVID vaccines have reduced the death rate and the severity of the disease. Therefore, even during pregnancy, the new guidelines say that you can take the vaccine even during pregnancy. When to vaccinate after COVID infection? That is the next question. It has been shown that the antibodies after COVID infection can last even up to 6 months. So it is wise to delay the vaccination by a minimum period of 3 months after the infection, and vaccination has to be given for both the male and the female partner. Okay, so far we have seen the situation of COVID and pregnancy and the planning of assisted reproduction. Now we go on to what should we know about the vaccines. We have to understand that vaccines reduce the severity of the disease and the mortality, that is the death rate. In this second pandemic, we observed the second wave of the pandemic, we observed that the patients who were vaccinated had a milder disease and the requirement for ICU and even the death rates were considerably less than the patients who were not vaccinated. So it is clear that the COVID vaccines reduce the severity of the disease. Similarly, there were doctors who were also before taking the vaccine, the severity in the doctors were more. However, the healthcare workers and the doctors who had taken the vaccine had milder disease during especially the second wave. Any vaccine is okay. So don't go behind either I will take only this vaccine or COVID Shield, Covaxin, etc. All the three vaccines are equally okay. The COVID Shield, the Covaxin and the Sputnik V. They offer a range of protection that is 80 to 90%. Consult an expert if you have an allergic reaction to your vaccine, and if you had recently had COVID infection and you are planning for conception, that is also wise to consult a specialist. There should be no hesitancy in taking the vaccine because all the healthcare workers and most of the people above 60 years have been vaccinated. So that simply means that the vaccine is safe and the side effects are very less. So it is safe for us to take the vaccine because the vaccine is more beneficial than being harmful. Vaccinate before assisted reproduction and clear your doubts with your fertility expert or your infectious disease expert. Next is, can I stop following the SMS protocol? What is SMS? As we told, it is hand sanitization, wearing mask and social distancing. Please continue to follow these things. These are the virtual lifeline of the world now. So better to continue this even if you have taken 2 doses of vaccine. Be safe, be vaccinated, wear a mask and follow hand sanitization. If you have doubts, please contact us on our WhatsApp or email. We are happy to help you because this particular thing, there are a lot of misconceptions, doubts. So it is better to get consulted than being doubtful and without having clarity. So we are there to guide you and help you, and visit us or talk to us whenever you have doubts and clarifications. Thank you.